Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pin a message on Messenger. First, open Messenger. Of course, make sure you're logged into your account. And then tap on the group chat that you would like to open. So I'll tap this one here. So let's say I'm going to type in anything in here. And for example, this is the message that you would like to pin. So tap on the message, tap reply, and then type at everyone. By doing that, you were able to pin the message on the group chat. And that's how to pin message on Messenger. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.